I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start with safety and a quick hardware check. Put on glasses, ear protection, and gloves, then inspect the nail gun for damage and a clear muzzle. Once done, connect the air hose and set the compressor to the manufacturer's recommended PSI. Make sure the pressure matches the steel nail rating. Load the magazine with the correct nail type and size, then adjust the depth control so nails countersink consistently without tearing the workpiece. You now focus on technique and rhythm. Place the muzzle flat against the surface and brace with both hands to prevent kick. This improves depth consistency and accuracy. Test fire into scrap to confirm settings, then start at an edge and work across, staggering nails 1 to 2 inches for even holding power. Once you're confident, use clamps to secure parts, maintain trigger discipline, and select sequential mode for precision or contact mode when speed is necessary. You finish by powering down and securing the tool. Turn off the compressor, bleed residual air from the line, and disconnect the hose before opening the magazine. Inspect your work for proper seat and holding power, countersink or fill holes where needed, and wipe the gun free of debris. If nails misfire or fail to drive, stop and check air pressure, confirm you're using the correct steel nails, and carefully clear any jam. This single troubleshooting check fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.